So let's take a look at this animation here. I don't know how well it'll play. Okay, so there we go. So this is the animation, and you can see, I don't know why it pauses right there, but complex movement of the object and the spin. Now, to make sure that this animation looked good, one thing I did was, before focusing on all the fine details, I made sure that it looked good in its simplest form. Now, for something like this, the simplest form is making sure that the physics works correctly. Now, with most characters, that's kind of the hips. Our hips are our leading force. It's what causes to jump, to change direction, to move. It's our kind of focal point. So what I ended up doing was I constrained a NURBS sphere to the hips. So let me throw that right there. It just put a sphere, and I constrained it to the main hip control, the main motion that I'm using to animate the hips. So now it's locked in. It follows the character. And then I just turned off the geometry like that. So I just have a ball. And what I did was I just made sure that that looked good. So as I look at just this, does this look appealing? And this is the refined version. When I first did it, there were a few things that were off. The changes of direction felt a little weird. So I pushed it. I made sure that the hang time during the jump here feels nice and interesting, that the spacing feels good, that we feel that impact on the bottom here where it hits and there's kind of this sharp change of direction. This little bit of hang time right there before it changes direction, and as it goes through, it's going in these nice arcs and loops versus just changing randomly in these kind of sharp, weird directions for no reason. I made sure this looked good first, because if this looks good, the simple basics, everything else that you build on top of that is going to look good too. If this doesn't look good, nothing I do, whether I get the most beautiful arm motions, the most beautiful hand motions, none of it's going to matter because the core is not right. So when you want to learn animation and you want to start getting faster at animation, you want to make sure that the core works. And part of that is understanding the basics. So animate scenes like this. Don't worry about the character. Just take a ball and move it across the screen and try to make it feel like it's interesting. Just the ball, or a box, or a cone, or something like that. Take a box and a sphere and have them act out a scene with just those two and make it interesting. If you can do that, the rest is just understanding the physicality. It really is. So really working on that appeal is going to make a huge difference as you push your sauce forward, and really understanding that it all works down to that basic element.